I'll tell you what happens at Phoenix. It's gonna get stupid.
It's gonna get fucking stupid.
It's fucking horrible.
What are the odds? What are the odds that Chastain just fucking picks Denny?
Hamlin, just stay ahead, please.
God.
Please.
Go Briscoe, go Briscoe!
I think Bell's in tires. I think he might get out of me.
Dude, Elliott might could. No,
Go low, go low, go low, go low.
Unless something happens. Unless he.
Unless
Yeah, but Sam the run, the Bell, the gas, and the championship more. He almost sends him. Oh, it's the fucking
kidding
wall.
me? What are you
And
doing?
Brad Keselowski's right there. Brad Keselowski. If he.
Oh, he just sent him in the back of the five.
No! Brad Keselowski was right there. Oh
That's
my
it's
God!
coming again.
What is going on?
No way!
Oh my
way.
God.
Oh, guys,
No!
look at this.
No!
That's
it's
insane.
Uh-oh.
No! Elliot, please, please, Elliot, please, Elliot, please.
No, that's it. That's it. That's it.
That's it, yeah.
No. Oh!
Elliot,
Yes,
no.
Elliot.
Elliot,
Briscoe,
fucking
if
right
Hamlin
now.
gets to Briscoe.
Yeah, that's it.
No.
That's it. That's it.
Oh my God.
Oh, here we
Hamlin's gonna
go.
pass Briscoe.
gonna fucking
That's
bonsai away.
Elliot,
Don't lose
But
too
yeah.
many more spots. Stay
Oh
there.
my-
Oh my God. He just set him. Look, I told you he would do that.
Oh,
Hamlin
God.
is
No,
just
what's
not-
Byron gonna do? What's Byron
He's
gonna
not
do?
fucking around anymore.
Hamlin is.
Someone's
Oh,
tire
there
is
it is.
bad.
Byron's trying to get
Brad
around
has
the
a
outside,
tire.
but he's
Brad has a
playing.
tire, I think. Come on.
Bad tire issue.
Uh-oh.
Byron.
What if Byron's just like...
Byron, send him. Come on.
Okay, here we go.
Red
Final
flag.
Final fucking lap. Here we go.
Final lap. Yep. He's a
There's the
second
safety
behind.
car. We
Don't
don't
Oh,
give a
Byron. Don't look on him.
Yep.
Danny Hamlin,
Hall of
where's
Fame.
Byron?
Yep.
Cribell goes to
Briscoe
Phoenix,
tried.
and he's gonna team in with him. Why does this game do what the fuck? What the hell? What the fuck? What are you kidding me? What?
Wait!
Send me the gun! What?
What happened?
What? What the fuck?
What happened?
What the game? He's in! He's in! He's in! What the fuck? Oh, yes! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
History. He video gamed it and it worked.
I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna pass out.
What the fuck?
God.
Goodness.
Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Did it! He did it!
I've never seen.
That's the best thing I've ever seen. That's the best thing I've ever seen.
That is the greatest thing I've ever seen.
Woo, yeah! Move the decade! Move the fucking
Oh
decade!
my! I'm gonna fucking pass
Holy
out.
shit.
I'm gonna pass out.
Oh my
I'm
God.
gonna lose it.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
That's the greatest thing I've ever
Look at-
seen!
Danny's gonna get a nasty.
That's it, that's a championship. That is a championship winning move right there.
Dude.
Fuck
Look at it.
it.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for
Oh
it.
my!
Oh!
Oh my God!
God.
That's so fucking.
Literally video game.
Oh my God!
I don't think-
Hamlin fan,
I don't
listen.
think
He didn't
NASCAR's
choke it. No one could have predicted that.
That's so smart.
That is the
He
greatest
did
thing
it.
I've ever
The
seen.
video game move. The video game move.
What
Oh my God! Oh my God! I thought it was sped up. I thought the replay was sped up, but that's. Oh my God!
Possibly the greatest move I've ever seen in my
That
life.
Oh my God!
Hall of Fame,
And he
Hall
did
of
it.
Fame move. That is a Hall of Fame move.
He did it, and Denny can't even be mad. Denny can't even be mad. He didn't even touch him.
He
That
got
didn't even look
outrode.
real.
It didn't. The replay, the top-down replay, looks like they sped it up. It looks like they sped it up. Oh my!
Oh my God.
Had he seen
Woo!
or thought, processed that
That is the damnedest thing I have
Stop.
ever seen.
I mean,
Nice.
he waited till the last corner of the last lap. of
Oh
the
my!
transfer
My
race.
heart is racing.
You could hear the engine on the rev chip and out the window. I'm with you, Rick. I couldn't even process.
Wow.
Oh my!
That is.
Oh my God!
That's the greatest thing I've
That
ever
is the
seen.
best move in this
Look at
track
Denny!
system.
Look at him! He's molding.
Get the fuck out of here, Chess. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
How many positions did Ross gain?
He gained like
Like 6?
He's gained like 4. He gained like 4. He passed Elliott. He passed.
Logano.
He passed.
He got a top
He passed
by,
all those
what's that?
guys. He passed all those guys.
God damn.
God.
Dude, fucking
What a
Elliott.
and Bell as well. Are you fucking kidding me?
What the fuck?
Bell just clutched his way in.
Record lap. Yeah, that's a new track record, by the way. That's a new record.
Dude, Denny Hamlin's probably gonna punch a wall.
Look at this. Looks like it's sped up. It looks like it's sped up.
Yeah.
That looks like it's sped up, but it's not.
That's not sped up.
Get fucked.
They're even saying it.
It's actual time. It looks as though it is sped up because no one's ever gone through 3 and 4 at Martinsville that fast.
Oh my God! Is this gonna cause people to do this now?
Someone, yeah, there's gonna call people to do that.
This shit.
Someone's gonna do that for the
Look
win now.
at the ticker. The ticker at the end was messing up. It didn't know who won. It didn't know who won.
What they gotta do is let
That is
this
the greatest movie
I'm
that's
telling you
happened.
this
I
right
everything
now.
I said lost. That's fantastic.
I'm telling you guys this
wow.
right now.
I
They're gonna
just
line
gained
up-
respect for him. That's
They're gonna-
fantastic.
Oh shit.
That is
Dude,
great
they're
for a
gonna
title
go
right there.
200. Oh shit.
Now watch NASCAR are gonna find a way to ban that type of maneuver.
They can't. They can't.
They can't do that.
They're not doing shit.
Yeah, but that's
No,
NASCAR.
if John's are doing that, absolutely they ban it.
That is the first time that's ever worked,
That's the first time it's ever worked.
and that's the second time it's been
I
done to
just,
Denny
gave, I
Hamlin.
just gave respect for him. I'm a Ross fan now. Holy shit, that's the greatest I've ever seen.
Yeah,
Dude,
gotta admit,
I
that
hope
was
this is
hard.
Like, I'm
front page
shaking.
news. I am
I gotta
shaking.
admit-
I am shaking.
Yeah, by the way, also Christopher Bell won the race. Yeah.
Yeah. No one cares.
Good friend Chase Briscoe, I see the emotion in your eyes.
Oh,
Mom and Dad, we did it!
Oh.
he's crying. Somebody get this 12-year-old off the track.
To come here to Martinsville, this place has always been so tough on me, and you know, I just pre-race, I was looking
Wow.
up to see all the fans. And
What a
this
finish.
place is
I
packed,
love
and
that.
NASCAR already uploaded a short.
I don't even know what to say. Just thank
That
you
is
so
the
much
damnedest
to
thing
all
I have ever
three
seen. I love it.
Toyota,
Dude,
everyone on this,
Chastain
Jogies
said,
Racing
"Fuck
20
you,
team,
Diddy."
They believed in me. since
I
day
think I'm a
one.
Ross fan now. I take back everything I said.
I've been a Ross fan for a
You know what? I
while.
take back all the shit I said about after that. That's incredible. I cannot hate someone for that.
I
I'm
wonder
sorry.
if Ross did I wish Ross would have gave Danny the middle finger once he passed the line.
He went from 10th to 5th. Chastain
I'll
did.
just give Ross a title for that. That is a championship winning move.
I say it all the
I
time,
can't.
but the driver is just a small part of the piece of the puzzle for, you know, these races. And
I can't wait to.
the reason why this car
Do you think
won
Denny's gonna wreck
was the best
Ross?
car on the racetrack.
I don't know.
Adam Stevens,
He's a pussy, dude.
this entire 20
He
group,
might do it just because
they just think
he'd
they're
be
gonna give up,
wrong
you know?
about doing
Our
that.
backs against the wall,
Danny
they think
Hamlin's
it's
a
over,
fucking
and
pussy.
they show up
He
and
ain't
they
gonna
do
do
the fastest
shit.
car
He'd
out
be
here, so
wrong.
Yeah, he'd be wrong.
I don't know, man. Words can't describe this feeling.
That was a big brain move.
He'd be wrong. I think.
Yeah. Danny would be wrong. That was a big brain move.
Because like,
Man,
shut up,
respect.
shut up.
Oh my word.
I lost my voice.
Ty Norris just leaned in here and asked you when you thought of that move. You said you thought about it before today. How did you ever dream up a scenario where something like that would be what you needed to do and that it would work?
Oh, played a lot of NASCAR 2005 on the GameCube with Chad growing up, and you could get
Yeah.
away with it, and I never knew if it would actually work. And I've done, I did that when I was 8 years old, and I grabbed fifth gear. I asked off of 2 on the last lap if we needed it, and we did. I couldn't tell who was leading, and I just made the choice. I grabbed fifth gear down the back and full committed. Once I got against the wall, I basically let go of the wheel and just hoped I didn't catch the turn 4 access gate or something crazy, but I was willing to do it. And for this Trackhouse group, right, we've done everything. We did so much right this year that for Advent Health, the Moose Jockey, and Worldwide Express, to lose Rob this year, it's just, we've got a Rose riding with us, right, an angel overhead, and yeah, I've thought about that for a long time, but today for our Moose Chevy, we didn't have what we needed, and just glad we could do whatever we could do. An incredible pit stop in the last stop to even put us in position to even be close enough by our pit crew. Our guys are incredible, and all we asked for was a chance.
we've documented your career path. We've talked about how this Trackhouse team is a relative upstart, but you guys had big goals. I know this was a goal of yours, of this team, to have an opportunity to race for a championship. So now that you're in that position, what does this mean to you?
Well, I hope everybody remembers that 2 years ago in the fall of 2020, I went down to the Southern 500 with Spire Motorsports, and it was a big deal for us to put sticker tires on, and we had a podcast sponsoring the car, and it was a big deal to beat one car. We were trying to go single-digit laps down, and that was 2 years ago at the fall Darlington race at the Southern 500, and to be here fighting for a championship now, it's just so surreal. So when I stumble on my words, when I make mistakes on track, I hope everybody remembers, like 2 years ago, I was out here 7 laps down, and now Trackhouse, Chip Ganassi last year gave me the opportunity in the 42, Doug Ducard, everybody there, with Ty Norris and Justin Marks and Pitbull to have this vision and give Daniel and I everything we need. Daniel Suarez, incredible teammate, and I just can't not believe that we have a chance to go fight for a championship. All we asked for is a chance. We kept our world small today and this year so far, and we'll do the same thing going to Phoenix.
They did it with the move that's probably going to be played as long as NASCAR exists. Ross Chastain, Dave, is racing for a championship next week.
Dylan, it was an
Go.
unbelievable
Oh.
performance.
Danny, oh yeah, Danny Andrews, shut
Shut
up.
up.
To his 5th championship.
Oh, they're
score.
booing him.
Do you believe it came down that way?
Yeah, I mean, you gotta execute all day, and we just didn't control the race when we had control of it. Each caution, we just kept losing some spots, and that's the way it is. But I thank my whole Chris Gabehart and the whole FedEx Camry team for giving me a really fast car today. I mean, it's just unbelievable when it was out front. Yeah, just couldn't quite hang on to it there on pit road. But congrats, Christopher. You know, those guys just did an amazing job. You know, really capitalizing and doing well and winning races when they needed to, and hopefully they can carry the banner for us.
And Denny fighting for position late in the race, even with Ross. It seemed like traditional Martinsville, you just got to try to get everything you can.
Yeah, certainly. We're trying to battle, and you know, obviously I was trying to get in there, and you know, but I was, you know, it's racing. It's what racing is here at Martinsville, and actually pretty happy with how somewhat clean it was there towards the end, as crazy as it was with guys on different tires. But you know, can't say enough for my team to give us a shot. We were in the 20s for most of this season in points, just because of our up and down execution. But we're going to end up 5th in points, so that is what it is.
And you've watched the replay a couple of times. What do you think of Ross's move?
It was a great move, brilliant. I mean, certainly a great move by you know, when you have no other choice. You know, it certainly is easy to do that, but you know, well executed.
Denny Hamlin's championship. We'll have to wait another year, guys, on a day where they had a fast.
Yeah, you got it. Like, hey, that's a good ass move. Executed it.
Hey, you know, I respect Hamlin a lot for that. And now I think the chances that he just completely cleans Ross out at Phoenix are a lot
I think
less.
it's all the.